how to link Instagram with Discord. In this video, I'll show you step by step on how to link Instagram with Discord account. After you open up now your phone like this now, go and open up now your Instagram app. So after you open your Instagram like this now, go and tap on your profile, this one. So after you open your profile like this now, all you need to do is scroll all the way to left. So now as you can see now, long press your hand on your profile and tap on this copy button. Now copy the link. So after you copy the link, as you can see now, up your Instagram like this now. Now close the Instagram and go back and open now your Discord app like this. So now after you open up your Discord app like this now, all you need to do now, you can just now go ahead now and tap on this. Now tap on your profile, this one. So after you tap on your profile on Discord, now tap on this edit profile button. After you tap on the edit profile button on your Discord account, now scroll to down. Now as you can see now in this section now about me, so now tap on this section. So now scroll to down like this. So as you can see now, long press your hand on this section now and paste in the link of your Instagram account. Now here is the link of my Instagram account. I add it into my Discord account. So now tap on this save button. So now I save the link, as you can see now. Now if I scroll to down, as you can see now here is the link now. Now whoever now tap on this link, it will take him to my Instagram profile like this now. So as you can see now the link has taken me into my Instagram account. That's it guys on how to link Instagram with Discord account. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching guys.